marriage is a big time commitment.
Yes.
And I believe if you cannot be, if he cannot be my best friend, I can never marry him.
When I talk about Neera Naturals, the name itself signifies a lot of spirituality in it. So, if I ask you, are you a spiritual person? What are the tips that you'd like to give to all the viewers and including the married women? Because like there is a special need to be taken care for the skin and beauty because like every woman is beautiful, no doubt, in and out. It's all about the mindset.
जो आपकी स्किन के लिए अच्छा है आप वो करो. Consult a good doctor or good cosmetologist in if you are feeling नहीं हो रहा है, and do as per them. That's what I would say.
Hello to all my people. Welcome to Hidden Tales with me, Kushi Ji. And here today I am with an excellent performer. She is not just a passionate criminal lawyer but a successful entrepreneur setting in benchmark for herself, a founder of Neera Naturals. It's a handcrafted cosmetic, it's a luxury handmade brand. And here today, welcome most precious woman for me, and I really love this person because I know her for a couple of years today and I've seen her growing, excelling in her craftsmanship. So here I welcome Lajja Brahmbhatt. Hello Lajja.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Very fine. It's your day, your time, and I'm super excited because every time I see you, I have seen that woman in you excelling day by day. Earlier, I knew you as a lawyer.
Yeah.
Then it turned to be an entrepreneur with your luxury handmade brand. That's Neera. And then now I again hear a lot more things about you starting a brand for men as well. Now that
Yeah.
is what we will be looking into it. I believe it's 2025. The launch is
Yes,
going to be there.
yes.
So this beautiful lady is also a national award winner just for her way she has presented herself. She is a strong personality and her brand is not just herself. It's a dream by her mom as well.
Yeah.
So as we say, Gujaratis, like business is their blood. So hailing from the beautiful Gujarat city, Ahmedabad, now I see her excelling worldwide. So how it has been the journey, Lajja? If very firstly I'd like to ask you, how would you define Lajja?
A very simple Gujarati girl who loves money, who loves business, and who loves food. That's what Lajja is all about. And thank you so much for the beautiful introduction. I remember we had a very first मेरा किसी ने interview लिया था. It was you. पहली बार इंस्टा लाइव पे इंटरव्यूज कैसे करता है, was not at all prepared. It was you, and now sitting in front of you like this, it's a task, it's a journey, and I have embraced it in all the way.
Thank you.
you
That's
so
so
much.
nice. Lajja, like firstly, I'd like to know because like as a woman, you come from a background, you come from a family of lawyers. You're the third generation
Yeah.
lawyer as a criminal. So from the field of criminal lawyer, turning into an entrepreneur, and that too for beauty, now which is like two different ways, two
Yeah.
different angles. So how it was the journey? Like did you find any challenges in this?
Well, it was my mom's dream, to be very, very honest. She's a cosmetologist and 30 years of experience. तो उनको था कि ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. And मैंने तो honestly speaking ऐसे ही पढ़ाई कर ली थी. सोचा नहीं था, what outcome would be there. And COVID hit हुआ. We all were isolated. And that's when we decided that, we will start doing these things. So that's how me and mom started all this thing. And for me it was either miss or hit वाली बात थी कि हो गया तो हो गया, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. That's how it all came up, and then lined up खुद ही हो गया. Destiny had all its plan and I was just doing my work. That's it. Honestly speaking, I am just the muse of the company. My mother is the backbone. मैं तो बस कर रही हूँ. बाकी it's all about my mother.
Right. So, any challenges that you must have faced? Because as we say, nothing comes easy. किसी के लिए इतना आसान नहीं होता है. But in your case, within the couple of years, I see you scaling high.
Yeah.
So, in this journey also, definitely ऐसा तो easy नहीं होगा. Challenges तो definitely आए होंगे.
I mean, challenges are part. अगर वो नहीं होगे तो you won't be even able to scale up yourself. तो challenges तो from day one से होता था कि ये सुना था कि साबुन बेचोगी, criminal lawyer से साबुन, what are you doing? Why you're making your mother work at this age? I mean, she's turning 56 March में. तो क्यों करवा रहे हो? Why do you want to do this? I'm like, let us just try. It's her dream, okay? And I believe dream की पूरे करने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती.
Absolutely.
Whatever time you get and when universe decide, you should do it. तो सुने थे ताने, but आई एम वन ऑफ दोज वो जिद्दी बच्चा होता है ना कि मैं सुनती नहीं हूँ. इफ आई वांट टू डू समथिंग आई वांट टू डू इट. यू डू वट एवर यू वांट टू डू. मैं नहीं सुनती तुम्हारी. So that's how I did it. And challenges, yeah, to, you know, because first as a business challenge it was ki, pricing range, luxury products, as you know, it's a little bit expensive.
Of
And
course.
also we fall into handmade category, so it's again a risky thing. There were technical challenges plus social challenges, बहुत सारे थे, but धीरे धीरे it all you know, went away. And
Your product spoke well.
yeah, very well, very well. It turned out to be shocking for us also in many aspects, but they spoke, and that's how we are doing right now. Touch wood.
Absolutely, touch wood. Lata ji, if I talk about, you know, like सबसे पहली चीज़ ये जब हम luxury soaps की बात करते हैं, handcrafted, you know, like I believe you've been into cold presses.
Yeah,
soaps.
cold processed.
So, as an you can say buyer and as a seller, how would you define and how would you, you know, like give an clearance toward it? Because I see so many people, they've not even heard about it.
Yeah.
They just see the rate and they just because of the range they step back.
Yeah.
But the benefit of cold processed soap, definitely I believe it's the vast. So can you just put some light on it?
So on, you would be knowing the process. It's a 45 days प्रोसेस. 45 डेज उसको बनने में लगते हैं, क्योर होने में लगते हैं. एंड इसमें सिर्फ नेचुरल ऑयल्स ही जाते हैं एंड असेंशियल ऑयल्स जाते हैं. सो वट एवर यू अप्लाई, इट्स एक्चुअली नेचुरल एंड ऑर्गेनिक टू योर स्किन. Right, it's actually derived from the nature, directly, you know, compressed into a form of soap, and you're putting up it. इसमें chemicals नहीं होते, एंड प्लस इसकी जो शेल्फ लाइफ होती है, मेकिंग टाइम होता है, इन सब फैक्टर्स की वजह से इट बिकम्स लिटिल बिट एक्सपेंसिव. बट इट डज हैव यू नो वंडरफुल क्वालिटीज. और एक बार आप उसे यूज़ करना शुरू करते हो, यू विल नेवर लुक बैक टू योर ओल्ड सोप्स एवर. नीदर यू लुक बैक टू दोज शावर जेल्स, यू नो, आजकल जो चलता है शावर जेल्स, you will not at all look back to all those things. So I tried in my, you know, marketing and those kind of things, or when I get a chance to talk about, I say them ke, you know, I try to educate people what cold processed soaps are.
Right.
And then you can easily compensate, and you can easily buy it out, and at least try. That's
Right.
what I always say. आप try करो तो ही पता चलेगा, वरना तो
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
So you basically started your journey from soaps. And
Right.
today I see there are list of brands, list of products that are available in Neera Naturals.
Yeah.
So can you just put some light on it as well? And which is your favorite one in it?
So we have soaps, we have bath salts, we have lip balms, we have an entire hair care range coming up in 2025. And so we are also coming up with perfumes also, that is also lined up. So these are the certain products which we have. And personally, my favorite soap would be 24 karat gold soap,
Okay.
which actually has 24 karat gold dust made up of saffron, almond milk, and such exclusive ingredients. So it's a little bit expensive, but yes, it's my favorite soap. I
So
would say that.
As we say, you love your skin, so you don't have to compromise on the product
Exactly.
as
Never ever, never ever. If you love your skin, that's what I always say.
well.
फिर
Absolutely.
तो ठीक है.
So when I talk about Neera Naturals, it's all about skin care and hair care. It's all about wellness.
Yeah.
Your forte is towards, because as we talk about cosmetics, it's been divided into two different segments. Right. It could be for any that is cosmetic for your makeup
Yeah.
and or your skincare. So
Right.
you Neera Naturals is all about skincare range.
Yeah, it's all basically we started as a toiletries, I would like to say, which includes soaps, bath salts, lip balms, lotions or creams or whatever externally you apply, which is not a makeup thing.
Right.
But you apply it on your daily basis वाली जो चीज़ होते हैं. In simple words, if I would like to compare and a quick example दे दूँ, तो Bath and Body Works.
Right. Absolutely.
That's what we are doing. Bath and Body Works is an international company, and we are making it a national by Neera Naturals.
Of course, you are not
Yeah.
just representing India, you are representing each and every woman
Thank you
who's
so
watching
much.
this.
Thank you, ma'am.
So in this entire journey, you know, like from the day you started your first day until now, so if you look back, how do you feel?
I feel like a roller coaster ride, to be very honest. I never thought this all would come so beautifully, touch wood again. But I feel proud, to be very, very, very honest. I feel proud on myself, on my mother, my core team, everybody who's associated with me. It's a very good journey. That's the simple term. Good journey.
Absolutely. And today, like when we're talking about women getting into entrepreneurship,
Right.
there are so many women who really feel that they want to do something. You excel from a different background.
Right.
You've been excelling right now in a different background.
Right.
There are so many women at home in their places and they feel that they want to excel in something. They are super talented.
Right.
But what would be your advice for all those women जो सोचते हैं कुछ करना है पर करने के लिए सोचते हैं?
आप सोच रहे हो तो कर लो. डोंट लिसन अराउंड एनीवन. आपके आसपास कौन क्या सोच रहा है, कौन आपके बारे में क्या पर्सपेक्टिव बना रहा है. सी एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू टॉक. आप अच्छा करो, बुरा करो, ना करो, करो, यू आर गोइंग टू बी जज्ड, राइट? So do whatever makes you happy until unless it doesn't hurts your closed ones. That's a very different story altogether. सुनो मत. मैंने तो इतना ही सीखा है. डोंट लिसन. जस्ट गेट अप, डू इट. मैं जा रही हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ. आपको अच्छा लगे तो ठीक है, नहीं लगे तो योर कॉल. आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू आउट इन दैट. थोड़ा जिद्दी बन जाओ. दैट्स द बेस्ट एडवाइस आई कुड गिव एनी वुमन राइट नाउ.
That's amazing. When we talk about लज्जा, because आपकी जो जर्नी है वो बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग रही है, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आपने स्टार्ट किया, जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, जहाँ आप पहुँचे, यू बीन इवन इन नेशनल अवार्ड विनर. सो इन सारी जर्नी में, बिकॉज यू आर अ कोच, यू आर इन मेंटोर, यू बीन एडवोकेटिंग ऑल अबाउट वेलनेस. सो व्हाट इज योर वेलनेस टिप फॉर ऑल द व्यूअर्स हु आर वाचिंग यू राइट नाउ?
Understand your body and skin. Every body, every skin, every hair is different. What suits you doesn't mean would suit me, and vice versa. तो आप जो भी कुछ अप्लाई कर रहे हो वो पढ़ो, समझो वो क्या है क्या नहीं है. एंड आजकल गूगल, AI, ChatGPT, we have so many sources around. Try to understand whatever ingredients are being used. That's the best possible thing. And your nutrition, please, अच्छा खाओ, प्रोटीन खाओ. That's the very important
Understood.
thing.
So जो आप खाते हो,
हाँ,
ultimately,
yeah,
what is
yeah,
in,
yeah.
that is out.
Exactly. That what is in that is out. और ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट से दूर रहो जो आप पढ़ नहीं सकते. सिंपल.
Absolutely.
If you cannot pronounce it, it's not for you. Tata bye bye.
Absolutely. So nice. Let's say, what is your one secret talent that nobody knows about?
One secret talent nobody knows about. Oh, I used to dance. Yeah. I'm actually a trained Bharatanatyam dancer.
Wow.
I used to dance. I used to do a lot of dance till 20 when I was 21, 22. फिर पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की, job and all thing came up, but that's the secret talent. अभी तो dance किए हुए भी I guess 7-8 साल हो गए. I haven't danced yet. So that's the secret talent, and I want it to be secret only. उसको secret ही रहने दो.
So nice. And something about most adventurous thing that you have done?
Not yet anything. ऐसा तो मैंने, हाँ, I did scuba diving. That's the most adventurous thing I would like to say. But ठीक है, वो तो सब करते हैं. There is nothing called extra adventure वाली thing in my life. I'm going on a very peaceful thing.
And if you been given a chance to cook for your very close person that you'd like to have, dead or alive, probably,
Yeah.
who that person would be?
Mr. Ratan Tata. Unfortunately, he's not with us. So Mr. Ratan Tata, that's it. I mean, I don't see any person when it comes to entrepreneurship or business close to him. Like दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं आता. I would love to do that, but since we don't have him anymore.
I shouldn't ask you this question. You're a Gujarati. Are you a foodie?
Yeah, 100%. Food के चक्कर में I have, gained 80 kgs and then I have started reducing back. But I'm a foodie, complete foodie person.
So what is your comfort food?
Dal bhat, dal chawal. Any form of dal chawal you give me, whether it's, Maharashtrian amti or Marwadi dal or South Indian sambar or rasam, anything, but it has to be dal chawal.
Wow, that's amazing. Now I feel like we should go for a rapid fire with this beautiful lady, because I understand one thing, being a Gujarati, she knows every answer. Like all standard answers are set here. So talking about, like are you a night owl or a early morning person?
Night owl, 100% night owl.
Tea, coffee?
Coffee.
If you've been given a chance to go for a world tour, whom you'll take with?
Oh, I mean, I have a crush thing, but since I don't talk to him anymore, but yeah, if given a chance, world tour. 365 days ka Mitchell Moron. I would love to go on a world tour with him, yeah.
Oh, wow,
if he's saying this, please invite me once.
So nice. Yoga or weight training?
Yoga.
Perfume or cologne?
Perfume.
When we've been talking about you as a color, which is that black or any other different colors?
Black, 100% black.
How many shades of black you have?
Almost every shades of black I have now, from matte to dark to shiny to glossy. Every black I have, black, black, black.
That's so nice. As a woman, you have been empowering so many women who have been working under you. If you have been given a chance for one change in the country, what that would be?
Stop expecting women to cook. Simple.
Absolutely. So nice.
Stop expecting.
In this entire journey, if I ask you, like this was, how would you define your journey in one word?
Roller coaster ride. Roller coaster, simple, yeah.
Who is that one iconic personality whom you have been adoring and you feel like you want to be like?
As I said, Mr. Ratan Tata, I want. I'm way too small for that. But his wisdom, his knowledge, and being on the toppest of the world, to be as humble as possible. Yeah,
So, do you believe in hard work or do you believe in easy work?
easy work. Why do you always want to do hard work? Hard work.
Absolutely.
I mean, cooker में दाल बन जाती है तो why you want to ubalofy every time?
Right.
I
So, social media, you love it or you leave it?
hate it. I hate it.
That's so nice. So, would you rather have, like unlimited time or unlimited narrows?
Unlimited time. Yeah, unlimited time. Yeah.
That's so nice. Isn't it? So, is success more important to you or you importance is to be happy? Money comes with luxury.
Success. I would love to cry in my private jet if possible. Yeah.
You've been having an empire today which you have excelled by yourself. So, do you believe in teamwork or solo work?
Teamwork, 100% teamwork.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
So, is it something that would like to say something more about the daydreamers?
Daydreamer, see, everybody's daydreamer, to be very, very honest. And I believe your dream should scare you. मैं अगर कुछ बोलूँ, I want this thing, it should scare the shit out of me कि I need to get this thing done. So if you're dreaming, no problem, get up and take at least first step. फिर second step भी हो जाएगा, फिर आप धीरे धीरे सारे steps करना शुरू कर दोगे. But just get up for once.
That's so perfect. Tell me something about, like where are we going to see you next 5 years?
We would be going international for sure. And 5 years, so many product lines would be there, specifically for soaps, because my mother is obsessed with soaps. उनको soaps के पीछे वो पागल है बचपन से. So soaps के अंदर ही बहुत सी चीज़ें you would be able to see, and of course we would be going international as soon as possible. 5 साल भी नहीं, आई गेस 1-2 साल में ही आप हमको इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे देख लोगे.
मतलब मैं आपको फिर से यहाँ बुलाऊंगी, फिर
अरे,
इंटरनेशनली आपसे अपॉइंटमेंट लेना होगा.
No, I'm ready for you 24/7.
So nice. You are so beautiful. You have, if I ask you, what is your beauty regime that you like to share with everyone?
Listen to your mummy. That's what I do. I listen to my mom. And regime mein, there is one thing, eat good food and apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is the very basic step. You should do it from a very young age, I believe. बाकी तो there is no regime which I follow. जब मम्मी बोलती है हाँ ये कर लो तो ठीक है, कभी कर लिया वाली बात होती है for me. But listen to your mom, दादी, नानी. They know much more better things.
It's so interesting. Laja ji, I'm just coming up with a beauty pageant, Perfect Mrs. India,
Yeah.
which is scheduled for now.
Yeah.
And as a woman, I'd like to know some tip that you'd like to give to all the viewers, all the like listeners specifically, and definitely like to ask you, how would you define marriage? Because I see that Laja is a person who says no for marriages.
I'm not like no for marriages, but marriage is a big time commitment.
Yes.
And I believe if he cannot be my best friend, I can never marry him.
Right.
Simple. I mean, it's filmy, but he should be happy to see me, succeeding rather than getting, those inferiorities. So I'm not no to marriage, but I'm waiting for the right men to come into my life and get married.
That's interesting. So as we say that everything comes with like a push from the universe. When I talk about Neera Naturals, the name itself signifies a lot of spirituality in it. So if I ask you, are you a spiritual person and do you believe in it?
Yeah, I am 110% spiritual person. I have been, it's my daily routine, to be very honest, कि Bhagavad Gita पढ़ो every day, at least 5 श्लोक्स पढ़ो. And every time I'm doing this since I was 14 years, and now I'm 31. So every time I read it, I find something new. Every time the context, the meaning, it changes everything as per my situation. It, and you know, it aligns with me. So I am a spiritual person. I am a Krishna conscious person. I am a Jai Shri Krishna person, to be very honest. So he has been there in my journey for my good, bad, ugly phases, whatever phases it has came. He has been there. So I would say yes, I am a spiritual person.
Right. So, when you are exhaling, so do you really believe that, you know, like your family, your parents, your loved ones play a major role in your life?
Yeah, they do. They actually build you, and they even break you at times. Unknowingly they break you, and unknowingly they build you. It's up to you how you take it, and you
That's so
know,
nice.
get up and start doing it.
That's amazing. Lazaji, I will not end in this note, but
Yep.
yes, of course, I'd like to know one thing, that what are the tips that you'd like to give to all the viewers, and including the married women, because, you know, like there is a special need to be taken care for the skin and beauty, because, you know, like every woman is beautiful, no doubt, in and out. It's all about the mindset, yes, of course, but what is needed is the external care which women lack in their day-to-day life. So, what is that one tip that can help them go to go?
Hydrate yourself, keep hydrating yourself. Second, again, as I said, listen to your mummy, dadi, nani. वो सुनो, वो सही बोलती है आपके बारे में, जो भी बोलती है. Third, again, as I said, सनस्क्रीन थोप थोप के लगाती हूँ मैं, तो उसके बिना दिन में 3 बार लगाती हूँ मैं तो सनस्क्रीन, इफ आई वुड बी नॉट लाइंग. एंड अगेन, मार्केटिंग गिमिक्स जो चलते हैं, यू नो, दिस इंग्रेडिएंट केम अप, दिस इंग्रेडिएंट केम अप, ये करो वो करो, यू शुड अवॉइड इट. जो आपकी स्किन के लिए अच्छा है आप वो करो. कंसल्ट अ गुड डॉक्टर और गुड कस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट इन इफ यू आर फीलिंग, यू नो, नहीं हो रहा है, एंड डू एज पर देम. दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड से. हर एक चीज़ को मत लगाओ अपनी स्किन पे.
So nice. It's really wonderful to be having a personality who is not just for herself but for others as well. Lajaji, thank you so much
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
joining in today, sharing your views,
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
being a part of Hidden Tales, being my guest for today, and
Thank
also
you,
the
ma'am.
cover girl for Perfect Women
Yep,
magazine.
the cover girl.
It has come up so wonderful. I see you on the cover, and it inspires so many women out there.
Thank you, ma'am.
And of course, I'd like to ask you, how was the experience being on the cover of Perfect Women magazine?
They are waiting for this magazine. My entire family and friends are waiting for this magazine. We want to see on our hands. So yeah, it was wonderful experience.
That's so
Wonderful
nice.
experience.
That's so nice. The personality like her is not just for herself. She's been inspiring so many women here. And I see one thing, that she is not just excelled in her talent that she is built for. She believes that universe has plans for her, and she's just moving on with the help of Krishna.
Yep.
So Krishna is just showing her the path, and we all are here with his blessings. And I see you exhaling very fast.
Thank you,
Next
ma'am.
5 years, I believe in 3 years, I'll be calling you back again.
Hope so. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers
Yes,
crossed.
of course. Thank you so much, Lajaji, for
Thank
being a
you,
part
ma'am.
with me.
Thank
It was
you so-
really wonderful.
Same
and
here.
I really wish a lot of success
Thank
for
you so
me and the
much.
entire team of Perfect Women,
Thank
entire
you
team
so
of
much,
Hidden
ma'am.
Tales.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
once
you so
again.
much.
Yeah.